Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my tube. I've worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for, God, how long has it been? 4 decades now. I have been doing this actually for 51 years. Got a whole team of former agents on staff. I've been on the national news. If you want to learn more about me, go to 777irs.com. So, why do most people get scammed when they're trying to find a tax resolution company? And the answer is very simple. They believe the line of salespeople. That's exactly what happens. You believe the line of salespeople. And when that happens, you're going to fall for whatever they say and whatever they tell you, because you are looking and they know what they're doing. They're trying to give you hope into something that hope cannot be actually generated from, because what they're telling you most of the time is not a reality. The sad story to that is I get calls on this phone every single day from people who have been ripped off. So how can you stay away from people and these salespeople? Well, you got to know who you're calling. Listen, I've worked thousands of cases for IRS. I am a storied former revenue officer. I have a national practice. I have a huge Facebook following of professionals. Stop falling for salespeople. How do you know they're salespeople? They're pushy. They want to get a contract out, and they're telling you stuff that it can't possibly happen. How do you know it can't happen? It sounds too good to be true. It absolutely sounds too good to be true. I just want you to know, if it is, call around. Don't call the first person that you talk to. It sounds good because of an ad or a salesman gives you a spiel. 90% of everyone in this industry who answers the phone, they're going to be a salesperson with really slick sales skills. They read out of books. They know what answers are. When you say no, they know how to flip that to a yes. That's what their trade is, and they practice it all the time. If you don't want that to happen to you, just do these three things. First of all, ask them whether they're an attorney, a former IRS agent, enrolled agent, CPA. Why? Because only they can practice in front of Internal Revenue Service. Those are the only people that can practice in front of Internal Revenue Service. Number two, ask to Zoom with them. Go ahead and actually get a gut feeling when you talk to them, whether they're real or not. And third, given the situation that you have, how many cases have they worked like that, and what is the result? Once you find out that they're not an attorney, enrolled agent, CPA, a former IRS agent, that's going to blow 90% out of the water. Most people are looking to settle their tax debt for pennies on a dollar. 13,000 people won the IRS lottery last year because they qualified. Don't get scammed. Call somebody. Don't call a firm. Call a person. You got to look the person up. See who the person is, and damn, Zoom with the person, and you're not ever going to get ripped off. Trust me on this. I hate to have people over. I bet you on this phone, I bet you over the last year, I bet you over $500,000 worth of people got scammed by giving retainers, and there was no success on the other end. But anyway, I'm just letting you know, if you need a former IRS agent to do your work, we've been doing this for a bunch of years. Call me. I can help you out. Give you a free consultation. Thank you so much for listening. Give me a subscription if you would. Always appreciate it. Give me a share. If someone having an IRS problem, you can talk to someone who's been in the business 51 years, or you can talk to a scam artist, one of the two. Thank you.